Imagine this. Someone looks at you and says just one word, and suddenly you feel understood, seen, almost relived. What if I tell you Bengali has words that can describe your life perfectly? Want to know which word it is? Then watch this lesson. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Shaheda Bengali Paradise. Learn Bengali, speak from heart. I'm your teacher, Shaheda Akter Chowdhury. Today is day 1 of our 60-day Bengali Vocabulary Confident Journey, where you don't memorize words, you feel them, use them, and own them. In today's lesson, you will learn one powerful Bengali word, and at the end of this lesson, you will receive a small reward. Real native-style Bengali sentences showing how this word is used naturally in daily conversations. So stay with me until the end. Today's word is tired. In Bengali, we say klanto. Repeat after me. Klanto. Again. Klanto. Now you say it. Did you try? Very good. Klanto doesn't only mean your body worked too much. You can be mentally tired, emotionally tired, tired of waiting, tired of pretending everything is okay. When you say klanto, Bengali listeners feel your truth. This is not just a challenge. At the end of these 60 days, there will be a vocabulary assessment. Students who participate will receive an amazing Bengali vocabulary fluency certificate. If you want to join the assessment, put your name on the exam wish list. The link is in the bio description or comments, depending on the platform you are using. For learners who want deeper practice, I have also created a 15-day private Bengali vocabulary program, short, focused sessions designed to build spoken confidence. Visit our website shahedakterchowdhury.com. The course link is in the bio description or comments. It's for students who want structure, guidance, and faster progress. And if you prefer personal guidance, you can book private Bengali lessons through my website. Many students have already transformed this way. That's why I'm also working on a complete Bengali alphabet course, reading, writing, pronunciation, and vocabulary with real recognition. This course will help you build a strong foundation from zero. It's coming very soon. Now, here is your reward. Let's see how native speakers naturally use klanto in Bengali. Example sentences. I feel tired, but I won't stop. আমি ক্লান্ত অনুভব করছি কিন্তু আমি থামবো না She looks tired, yet she keeps going. সে দেখতে ক্লান্ত, তবুও সে এগিয়ে যাচ্ছে Now, this is your moment. Pause the video, make one sentence about yourself using klanto. Then, write it in the comments. Say it out loud. Your voice builds your confidence. One important reminder. Transliteration helps you understand pronunciation. But remember, Bengali is not English. Do not force English sounds into Bengali words. Let's Bengali sound like Bengali. Try to imitate me. That's it. One word, but now it's meaningful. No matter your level, your opinion matters. If you could design your dream Bengali course or your next learning challenge, what would you want to learn? Write it in the comments. This is day 1. Tomorrow, day 2, we will explore another word that describes inner strength. Stay consistent, trust the process. Your journey to confident Bengali starts now.